Hi friends, I am Joel John, YouTube blogger, and we are going to see now about video KYC or online KYC process. And we are already seeing a lot of KYC process because there are lots of job opportunities with KYC process in private banking, MNC banking, and BPOs and call centers of our global shared services, as they mostly call on banking sector, which are the processing centers or centralized service centers, global service centers of the banks. And now in India they have allowed video KYC. So when you are going to be selected for an Indian operation or for a bank in India, we do have lots of banks and lots of jobs, right? At that time they may ask you about this video KYC process. Being a new update, even in MNC banks they may ask about it, so it's essential to be aware of that. So getting into the topic, on 9th of January 2020, RBI, Reserve Bank of India, has allowed the banks and lending organizations recognized by RBI to do the KYC through video, which is called as video KYC or video customer identification process, V-CIP. Okay, so this is a short form which you have to remember. Then how this process is done. So the customer has to first register for opening a bank account online and submitting his KYC. During this process he has to schedule a date and time. Then the bank employee will call the customer through a video call on that particular time, and on some banks this is done online through the bank website itself. Okay, what they do during this process, the customer should have his PAN card and Aadhaar card ready for KYC verification, and the address in the Aadhaar card should be the current address of the customer or his permanent address, so that that address alone will be taken for the bank account address. If he has to change the address, he has to follow the normal procedure again, or he can do it online by after changing it on the Aadhaar card. So now what happens is, on the scheduled time the bank employee is online and he will ask the customer to show his Aadhaar card on the video call. Customer should take the effort to show it clearly on the video, and bank official will inform the customer whether the image is clear. Then he will be doing verification for the PAN card, and at this time the customer will show the PAN card and bank employee will inform whether it's clear or not. He will ensure that these two images are captured clear on the video to the best. And RBI has also given a mandatory requirement that this video should be saved with the date and time stamp by the bank employee. Now the bank employee will check the image seen by him of the customer on the video call, and the image on the Aadhaar card and PAN card are same, and they do use facial recognition software to support them. Then the bank employee will check for the location of the customer through geo-tagging software. Then these documents will be saved with the date and time stamp by the bank employee. And now the bank employee also asks few questions to the customer to ensure that he is speaking to a live person and it's not an imaging or robotic technique used by financial criminals. And these questions will be picked random by the bank employee. So after this video KYC process is completed, it's the responsibility of the bank employee to recognize these documents are correct and decide whether these are enough and the customer can open a bank account through this online process, or he has to revisit the branch to do the KYC process as per the regular procedure. And in case if the customer wants to change his address in future, there are also online methods to upload a document. If his bank account is existing for a certain period of time, Those details we will check on later videos. Hope this video will be useful for you. Share this with your friends who are preparing for bank exams, and also as a customer, all of you will be opening bank accounts, and online bank account opening is a great advantage for you all. So share it with all your friends, ask them to watch, subscribe, share, comment on your requirements and suggestions to improve, so that we can jointly grow my channel. Then also at the end of this video you will be seeing an image with the playlist for banking and interview preparation videos and other videos as well. So check for my search as Joel John J, or click on the photo below this video, go to my playlist tab and watch all my banking related videos, and there will be lots and lots of sources for getting a good update on preparing well for a bank interview process. And also you will have other playlists for call centers, for BPO jobs, and other my interesting videos like animals, plants and other stuffs. So you can also watch that and share that with your friends and start a discussion on this, so that when a conversation is started, you will learn more when you start speaking with each other, and your communication skills will also develop, which will really help you during the interview process. So talk about my channel, ask your friends to subscribe, press the bell icon to get regular updates, because you are going to see a lot of banking related videos. In between, other videos also will be there, but still give preference for this. Then coming back to the main concept about KYC, we have already seen general outlook, because most of the MNC banks still follow a process. And another question arises in the mind of people, that will this reduce the number of jobs in bank? It's not that much, because our Indian population is growing always, and also after doing this online verification, they are documenting this video KYC, and there are a lot of other back-end jobs in banking sector like anti-money laundering, customer due diligence, and so much and so much. For corporate banking, it's an ocean. So that much of roles are there in bank. I will be soon covering those one by one. So stay tuned to my channel, and also we will be coming up with the AR calling related videos and other interesting topics. Also about I will upload some fish, animal, plants and other entertainment video stuffs as well. So hope this video will be useful for you and others as well. So when you only comment, I will be able to get a good idea about that. I get very few response for my call center related videos. I got a lot of response, but not the same from banking. But banking has lots and lots more than a regular call center. So please comment and share your feedback and suggestions. It's time to say bye. It's your Joel John J, YouTube blogger, signing off from you. Bye.